Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, we are going to create first Spring Boot application by using Spring Tool Suite. Spring Tool Suite STS is an IDE based on Eclipse to create your Spring Boot application. So you can download this from the internet. Just type here STS download and simply just click on first link and download this one, Spring Tool 4 for Eclipse. Whatever the platform you have, I have a window platform, so I'm using this one. You can download these one also. After downloading this, you have a two-way to create your Spring Tool application, that is for Spring Initializer like this. Click on this, and from this interface you can create your all interface and dependency. You can add your dependency also here. But I'm not using this interface because I have the IDE Spring Tool Suite, so I'm going to use that. This is error free, a very good IDE without disturbing you, without creating any problem. Simple application to create your Spring Boot application. So first of all, just create here, go to the new, and after that click on Spring Starter project. Then we have this interface, same interface which we had in Spring Initializer. Then give your project name. Here select the Maven from this and give the group ID. Group ID means the domain name, the unique domain name. Then give the project name, that is artifact ID, and combine this two, and you have to give your package name. Com dot, there is an example, so I can say here com dot Dr. Vipin classes like this. Simply I'm just doing this. Description of application and click next. Then you have to add dependency. So first of all, I am adding Spring Web because Spring Boot application mostly web based. So I'm using Spring Web. Otherwise you can search from here also like Spring Web and select from there. Then I need theme leaf also. So I'm selecting this one also. If it is not coming on top of this, you can also type theme leaf and select there, and you will have the selected dependency here. After that, click on next and it will download this file. Click here, internet should be there in your machine, and after just few seconds you will have the project in your Spring Suite like this. So if first time you are watching this, then you need to concentrate on this file. This file is pom.xml. Remember that all the dependency which we have added in the beginning, all the dependencies are automatically inserted here. This one. Then this is the first file for that. Then we have certain folder, target src. One by one we will see all the folder. This is the dependencies, all the jar file which we have added in the pom file, automatically downloaded here in our project. Then this is the JRE 17 version. This is the package for testing. If you want to make your application implement unit testing in your project, then you can use this. I am not using unit testing. Resources is there. Under this resource, we have a static folder. We have a template folder. We are going to use in the future also these folder. Then application.property. This is the central file to make some configuration or some type of you can say a required parameter to run your application. We will use this file also. Then we have the main file here. This file is Spring first application like this. This is the file, central file that will start your Spring application. If I run this application right now and I select a Spring Boot, you will see that it will automatically run on 8080 port. You see this one, and automatically Tomcat Apache is installed with the application, because that is the advantage of Spring Boot, that you doesn't need to install any dependency. Automatically it will install. So if I give here a local host 8080, so it's saying that white label error page means nothing is found, and you have a 404 status, means you have not created a single file in your Spring Boot application. So we have to create a file. For that, I click on the package and I say I need a class. So I create a class and I give the name to this controller, home controller. Remember that we need controller to control the application. That's why we have this home controller. This one, you see that home controller we have created. Now I have to use annotation. So I say rest controller. I'm using this one right now, and in later video I will change to controller. And what is the difference between REST controller and controller, I will have a separate video for this. Here I have to create a function. I say public string and I say index function, and here I return hello world like this. and here I need to write get mapping like this, and under this I say root and I import this one also. Save this, and now if I try to run this application, and this time if I say, you see application, some error is coming. This is already in use, so what I do, I close this one, and you see we have this project also already running, this one also. So I close this, then I run it once again. We have this time, yeah, I'm running this application once again because two application was running separately. So once again I refresh this and click here. You see hello world is coming now. Why it is coming? Because I have created a REST controller application. Here I am just creating this root, and on the root if I click this root application, it will display in a string fashion hello world. So you see that this hello world is there, output we have. So this is the first Spring Boot application that anybody can make just by creating this one class and writing 2 lines of code like this. So you have the first hello world kind of application in a Spring Boot. And next video we will see that how to add a HTML file in this in place of simple text. See you in next video for that. If you like this video, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.